I should have shared this medicinal plant much before on YouTube, which have huge health benefit on human health. Eating this food once a year can make the human body remain free from all kind of diseases, including cancer. I have learned from my parents, since my childhood days, how to eat this plant. In English this plant name is Calamus ratang, and in my local language, that is in Assamese language, known as Batida. At first I am showing you how to peel this ratang. Peel it with a knife properly. After peeling it, you will find the white soft part, which is edible. Now cut the white soft edible part into small pieces. This ratang is preferably boiled and eaten. Here I am washing small amount of black gram, and boiling the same in a pressure cooker, with little amount of baking soda, salt, and ginger, onion, and garlic paste. The ratang is boiled with the black gram, in a pressure cooker. After it is boiled and cooked properly, put it out, and served it hot with rice. The taste of ratang is bitter in taste, and is one of the best natural food, for regularizing blood disorders. Some of the health benefits of this Calamus ratang are, it can heal liver disorders, diabetes, tumors, cancers, bone disorders, skin diseases, regulates menstruation, constipation, cuts, bruises, swollen joints, sprain, cholera, gastric problems, scabies, body swellings, cough, cold, gout, asthma, skin diseases, external, as well as internal inflammations, ear pain, malarial fever, and much more. In short, one should eat this food at least for a month, in a year, and the best season to eat this food is during the month of April.